there is a great way that you can go and earn a lot of airdrop as well as claiming them, and this is with the ByBit Web3 wallet, which, if you didn't know, is just like MetaMask. So in today's video, I want to go and showcase it to you, and I want to go and show it to you right now, and you will see here on the screen now the crypto wallet of ByBit. So how does it work? Well, it is very simple. If you're utilizing MetaMask or Rainbow or any of those, it is the same thing, just better, because it gives you the possibility to participate everything and everywhere with just your phone. So as we see from the screen, this is the Web3. And how do you get it? Well, you simply need to go and download the ByBit app from the web store, whether you're on Samsung or iPhone, whatever you want, go and get it from the store. And then on the top here, as you see in the middle, it says either exchange or Web3. Click on Web3 and you will be redirected over here. So the first thing that we see is that you have the immediate possibility to go and earn airdrops already. So we have the Mental City Canvas airdrop, which you can go and participate just by the click of a button over here on the app. And it gives you the possibility, as we see here, to go and mint an NFT, which we know are very important. We saw them with ZK Sync, we saw them with the Rainbow Wallet, we saw them with many different ones in the previous video. And here it gives you a possibility to go and mint them directly for the chance of the airdrop. Another one that is super easy to go and earn is the Big Time airdrop, for example, over here. And these are simple free quests to go and support ByBit over on X, play Big Time over on X, and retweet a campaign post to be eligible for the airdrop. So I will leave you the link down below to go and get it and to go and do everything. So make sure to go and join from them. But here we simply see that you complete a few tasks and then you see whether or not you're eligible for the rewards. And there are many others, like the Pixelverse $30,000 token in airdrop if you go and complete a few tasks, like follow ByBit on X, create an account on Pixelverse, and connect the ByBit wallet and connect 1000 Pix points. But another great one, which it is on the always on the Web3 wallet, but we do have it over on for the ZK Sync situation. We can go and check right now on the laptop, and we jump straight a little bit from the laptop to the phone to the laptop. We see here that the ZK Sync buy starter campaign, it is now live, and there are 14.7 million tokens allocated to ByBit, and all you have to do is very simple. Very important is to add the Web3 wallet. As we see here, it is one of the criteria. And this is the only exchange, ByBit is the only exchange that is offering such a service, which is why I do like it and I do partner with them, because I do believe in the product that they have offering. All you gotta do is sign up for a ByBit account, complete identification verification level 1. I will leave it to you down below so you can go straight to it. Lock 100 USDT via your funding account during the participation period, and the locked USDT will be returned to your ByBit account before the distribution period ends. So you're basically earning free airdrop by utilizing this app. I will leave you this whole page down below that you can go and check it out, but it's for the new ZK starter. It is for the Web3 wallet, which you do have it, gotta have it. You got participation prizes for the first 400,000 people. We get the sunshine prizes, which are participants who completed all required tasks, and a grand prize of 27,000 lucky winners will receive a big portion, receiving 300 ZK Sync each, which, you know, they are at a good price. But I will leave this one down below for you to go and sign up, for you to go and understand it more, to go and read it. But back to the Web3 app, which we do have here, we can go on and see that there are many different join to earn airdrop possibility. Web3 points, earn Web3 point by exploring the ByBit wallet, as we see over here. I have opened it just right now. We can get follow us on social, so you just go and scale top 5 point holder. You go and scale through the point system, as we see over here. Daily task, follow us on social media. As we see here, we open, I follow them, we go back. Swap task, you can do some swaps. Then you have the possibility to go and do deposit tasks, so you deposit some funds, you go and get more points. And it is very simple. So the more that you go and utilize this app, the more that you have the possibility to go and get reward, as we see over here. So I check in and I get 1 point, as well as this one will be counted very soon. As I do follow them, we can go follow them and unfollow them. So to get it all ready and done, as we see over here, I am following them. So we go back here and we get the points. But aside from this one, there are many other tasks which are super nice to go and complete. We got Athena bonus, as we see here, another airdrop situation which we have seen. And we can go and select the switch wallet. The event is currently only supported with a ByBit Cloud wallet. And there are different types of wallet, as we see. I would go and showcase you right now. So once you open up the app, let's say you're a new user, And all you gotta do is go to the bottom right. You see that there is the wallet section, and there are different types of wallet that you can do. On the top left, you see wallet one. This is a seed phrase wallet, meaning that I have control of the seed phrase, just like MetaMask, just like any other wallet. I have full control on it. You can go and add a new wallet, as we see here. You can create a wallet, a multi-chain wallet with seed phrase private keys wallet, which is the one I have, a keyless wallet. So a keyless wallet is using your ByBit account, and everything will be stored by ByBit. So it is not a self-custodial as you wish, but you do not have to worry about anything in terms of seeds, in terms of password. Everything will be automatically there. Or you can go and collect yourself a cloud wallet, so a custodial keys managed by ByBit, as you see here. And you can go and collect all three of them. You can get all the wallets that you're not stuck to one wallet, so you can go and create multiple wallets, all of them together when you need to do it, which is very, very nice. Once you go in there, or you can go and import with mnemonic phrase private keys, or import from the cloud backup, as you see over here, whichever you want. Or you can get a watch only wallet, so track asset of another wallet in case you're looking for, a big crypto personality within the crypto industry, if that is one thing that you want to do. Otherwise, you can go and select the one that you want, and everything will be different. As a normal MetaMask wallet, MetaMask doesn't give you the possibility to go and earn airdrop like this within the app. Here you have the possibility to do all this. You have the possibility to trade. You have the possibility to stake, as we see, a one-click staking. You have the possibility of NFT collection to go and buy them directly. For example, the CryptoPunks over here, all within the app, which is super, super nice. And one nice thing about it is, just like MetaMask, it works as well with swapping and bridging. So if we go over here to the trade situation, you have the possibility to swap tokens between chains. And as we see from the wallet, you can go and select Bitcoin chain, Ethereum chain, Mantle, BNB, Polygon, Optimism, Merlin, BEVM, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Base, Phantom, all of the one that you normally have within your MetaMask wallet. You can go and do it over here, and it gives you way more possibility to go and explore within the crypto space to have this type of wallet, which is absolutely nice. We then have the Manta Pacific, the ZK Sync, anything that you want, it is over here. Now, going back to the trade, just like any other wallet, you can go and trade from USDT Ethereum all the way to Binance 1 inch. So you can go and swap and bridge at the same time over here, which is really, really nice. If you go and put any amount, you can go and do the 1 inch, and you can go and do the transaction as well. You see the price charts, you see the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and the yearly price chart of the USDT compared to the 1 inch, which is the one that you are swapping. Let's say you are swapping AMP. Over here, you see the difference between in the price as well. So very, very nice. You got then the derivatives, you got the decentralized exchange pro, so it is buy and selling just like any other app within a pro version of it. You get the market situation as we see over here, whether you want to go and check out all the meme coin as well, Popcat, Mova. Oh, very nice. This one really went up a lot. But yeah, not interested. But you see here that you get everything that you want within this incredible wallet, in my opinion, because as of right now, we did have some, MetaMask, some application that you go and download, that you go and install into your laptop. Now here, everything is on your phone, on your ByBit wallet, and this is why I do go with them, and I do have a nice relationship with what they're bringing out, because it is really, really nice. We then have the Web3 earn, as we see over here. We got the one-click staking. You can stake any of the assets that you have, just like with a normal plugin wallet that you have on your Google Chrome plugin. We got Solana stacking from Jupiter. Simply click over here, you'll be redirected directly to Jupiter with your address already connected to go and do anything that you want. Trade, Solana, the staking as well over on the governance. We then have the Fluxbean, we got the Linfinity, Range Prot, Capital, Eigen layers, and just like what we see, for example, the Eigen layer or the Renzo airdrop, you can do everything from here. So this is something cool that also I want to show you. We then have the IDO, so the one that we do talk about it over here. You can participate in the MCG, which is the one that we did talk about it in yesterday's video. Simply click over here, switch wallet, and you can go and participate in all the initial, the coin offering and all of the good opportunities that you have here. All of these are, by the way, closed. We got the aperture finance, we got the cookies, we got the tetanus, as we see here, highest historical yield. So they give you all the good information about the airdrop, and they offer airdrop within their platform, which is better than all of the other platforms in my opinion. We got the airdrop arcade, as we see here, with the ByBit starter and Web3. You can join now, the one that we did talk about, you can join now directly from the app as well. You know, rewards existing, follow Tavera on X, use your ByBit Web3 wallet to log in and deposit to the website and mint a Soundbound Gamer ID. Try at least one game regardless of the game result. We then got the Moody Madness for the rewards of ZK tokens. Simply follow them over on the CryptoMaze app on X. Complete at least 2 quick play races regardless. So here you have a lot of possibility, and all of these are mostly free to earn. You do not need to go and spend any money. There is the trading option for the $100 like we saw before. Yes, we then have the 30,000 Pixelverse, 312,000 Big Time, which we saw before at the beginning, and these are all on the earn section. As we see down here on the bottom of the phone, there is the earn section. We then have the trade section with the markets, the swap, and the DEX. We got the marketplace. This is for anything from the Satoshis, the Lego, the project, the minting, the NFTs Pro on the top right, the meme coins, the newly added coin, the getting listed as well. If you want to get, or if you do have a project, you can go and contact them directly through the Web3 app to get listed on the ByBit platform, which is super nice. And on the wallet as well, you have the possibility to have the cloud wallet, the keyless wallet, which we saw before. And another nice situation, aside from the NFTs and everything that it is, we got the one-click staking over here, which we can go and redirect simply through the arrows, which in my opinion, it is very nice. We have the possibility to go and earn all of the airdrop that we do talk, for example, Renzo, again, Layer, Kinsa, all of them. As we do also have the one-click staking for the point ecosystem. We got the Ethereum Renzo, as we see over here, the EtherFi that you can go and participate simply by doing it everything through the Web3 app. You can stake, users seeking stable returns, you know, experiences. Everything is kind of the same, just like going through the website to go and get the point system over here. The restaking, the Pendle, the Renzo, the EtherFi, Puffer, single asset, multi-asset as well, which is really nice to see. So Web3 offers definitely the Web3 wallet itself offers the best experience in my opinion for when it comes to the quality of going and competing against a Web3 wallet, which it is out there. It gives you a possibility to have a seed phrase wallet like the one we have on MetaMask, give us the possibility to have a controlled Web3 wallet by them, but you know, it's not that they access your account anytime. It is, of course, it is covered. We got the cloud wallet, which everything is stored, one on your phone. There's 3 passwords, one they got them, and you got 2, one on your phone and one on your cloud, so you have fully control of it as well, which is very nice to see. But it is a really nice initiative. I am partnered with ByBit especially, so I would really suggest you give it a try. If you have any question, let me know down in the comments below and I will try to answer them all. Thank you for watching and see you all in the later video. Ciao.